right, here we go. Okay, so I mean, I will cut all that. No, so, okay. All right, welcome back. Oh, Jesus.
The fire alarm.
It's potential spam. Let me turn this off. That is my phone ringer. Actually, yeah. I was gonna put it up, but I will edit all this out. Maybe we'll see. Maybe it's always a game time decision based on.
I like the stuff, the real life stuff that pops in. You know, I think it's more entertaining.
Indeed. So whether or not I edit it here, I'm going to start fresh with welcome back to. Welcome back to the Mechanical Room, and it's another magnificent Show Us Your Pipe segment. This one comes out of the San Francisco Bay Area from our friend Cory Page. That's at Hydro_Tech510, the legendary Instagram account of Cory Page, and he's got himself quite a installation here. I'm showing it on the screen right now. I do want to shout out. He did us the great service of just like tagging all of the products that he uses here. So quick shout out to Centrotherm Iniflu, of course, the thing that holds this whole thing together, of course.
These not the glue.
Right, no glue. No, the solvent
glue is not needed.
The lubrication here that holds this whole mechanical room together. But shout out to Viessmann, to Webstone, to Viega, to Watts, to Bell and Gossett, Hold Right, ProPress, Skates. And I think that's all he's got here. He's tagged a whole bunch of other stuff in here, including like pipe installation and World Plumbers and things like all this wonderful stuff to get him more of these great followers on Instagram. But I love when they shout out all of the stuff, show what they're working with, and this is a great example of all of this stuff coming together to make a great installation.
And something that I said before, you know, that we intend this to be a little bit educational, and for somebody new, you not only see it, but you also get the manufacturers that are part of this installation, and hopefully that helps shape how you do great installs like this for yourself.
Absolutely. And I mean, properly supported is I'm showing right now just the horizontal, but you can see all of the clamps are in place. This thing is not going anywhere. This is solid as a rock installation. I'm guessing this is a residence somewhere, but man, this is a really intense mechanical room with all of these incredible products put together. And I mean, these photos in particular really showcase the complexity of what goes into an installation like this. There is just so much going on to keep, the house warm, to keep the hot water going without having any carbon monoxide leaks, to water on demand, gas furnaces, or gas appliances. I mean, it's pretty intense. I readily admit to being, a layperson in terms of what goes into stuff like this. So it's always impressive to me.
Yeah, and this month we said we wanted to do something residential. In the past, we've done some commercial-looking jobs, larger diameter, big mechanical rooms. This is probably somebody's basement. This is a real-world install. Could be in your house.
Yeah, I got to go look at my mechanical room again. Mine doesn't look
that good either.
It doesn't look like
this. We need Cory to come to New York, man. Are you willing to move out here?
All right, so shout out to Cory Page. Thanks again. You've got yourself a Centrotherm swag pack coming your way because you have showed us your pipe.